Welcome to my Chapter 2 video about sports and their relations to physics principles. Today I will talk about 5 physics principles, and they are as follows. Newton's 3 laws of motion, velocity, as well as gravity. This play is a perfect example to show all 5 of these principles. Here you can see Favre, number 4 in the shotgun, receiving the snap, and towards the middle of your screen you can see Adrian Peterson, number 28, rushing out from the backfield for a pass. Gravity can be seen right here, as when Brett Favre throws the ball, it accelerates immediately after it leaves his hand, and then it reaches its highest point, and then accelerates downward. It then reaches Adrian Peterson, who catches it, and then starts to run towards cornerback William Gay, number 22, and trucks him and makes him fall to the ground. Newton's first law of motion can be seen here, as William Gay is at rest until he is acted upon by an unbalanced force, Adrian Peterson, who knocks him to the ground. At the middle of your screen you can see Troy Polamalu, number 43, being blocked by Greg Lewis, number 17. This is another great example of Newton's first law, because Troy Polamalu is in motion at a constant velocity before being stopped by an unbalanced force. Inertia can be seen here, as Adrian Peterson falls down quite easily because he has little inertia. The more the mass, the more force must be applied to stop the object from moving. The last law of Newton's can be seen here as well, as every action has an equal and opposite reaction, the action being K-Run Fox hitting Peterson and Peterson falling to the ground. When he is hit by Fox, his body hits him in the back with an equal force. I'm going to show the video in another angle to capture different aspects of the principles of physics. Right here you can see the ball leaving Brett Favre's hand at an estimated 6.6 meters per second squared. I got this by taking the change in distance of the ball leaving his hand to when it reached Peterson and the time it took to get there. Then I divided 10 by 1.5 as it traveled 10 meters in 1.5 seconds. Since you have seen the play and I already said all 5 principles I said I would, I will now briefly review all 5 of them. Gravity is evident when the ball leaves Favre's hand, as it acts upon it the entire time when the air is pulling it to the ground. Newton's first law, an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by another force, is evident when William Gay is knocked to the ground. Newton's second law, inertia, is evident when Peterson is taken down so easily because he has little mass compared to Fox, therefore making him have less inertia. Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction, can be seen when Fox hits Peterson and Peterson falls to the ground. Lastly, we can see the velocity of Brett Favre's throw by taking the change in distance and the change in time. Thanks for watching, and go Vikings!
This man is a beast! Adrian Peterson, look at that shot!